Alright guys, today we are visiting a different waterfall. A lot of you probably been here before. You see what's behind me. It's a big old, I don't know what you call it. It's like a wooden pipe with metal reinforcement bars all around it. This is Tokatee Falls. Let's go. I mean, you would think one day this is gonna give, right? Hopefully it's not right now. It's gushing way more over there. This is crazy.
Now, as you can see here, Tokatee Falls is not that far from Waterfalls from our last episode.
Are you guys excited about this one?
I am. Nope, we're going now.
I am. This one's gonna be pretty.
So we're right here. It'll probably take like 4 or 5 or 6 miles.
All right, here we go. And you got a canopy of trees overhead. Do not need to worry about shade at all. That's the creek right beside us here.
Don't forget to stop every once in a while and take in the beautiful nature around you.
All right, that's the start of the stairs. Start of many steps.
So as you can see here, the hike starts relatively flat. Then about halfway through the hike, you will encounter some stairs and it just keeps going up and up and up. Did I mention that you just keep climbing and climbing? On a brighter note, you will find a lot of areas where you can rest right alongside this beautiful blue creek.
This lookout point right here, small little corner here.
No.
You can see the creek down there. And it looks like the shape of a heart.
Stairs. I'm going second.
Is anybody counting the number of steps?
Nope.
How many steps did it say up there on the sign, kids? You guys remember how many steps? There's some drop-offs here, so if you come with your kids, just watch them. Oh, another set. You don't think we'll make it?
Yeah, I know water again. It's really far. I'm tired.
Ooh, our first downhill section.
I know.
So yeah, so basically on the other side of this mountain that we are climbing is all downhill. And there is less shade, so a little more sun. Not bad though. That's pretty much it. We are back down from the trail. Beautiful trail, beautiful waterfall, very easy. Pretty much anybody can do it. Very kid friendly. Hopefully you enjoyed the adventure. We will see you on the next one. Peace.